of all the ways that you can get involved on BJC's campus. I was in a learning community last year for education majors, and I made a lot of friends through that. I also was in the Honors College for a little bit, and that was a really enriching experience for me, and so I love that a lot. But right now I'm on one of our comedy improv teams, the Plastic Shatners, which is an organization on campus that you can join. And we have shows every Friday, and we have students from all over campus come out, and we usually get like 200 people, like a lot of people come to the shows. I remember 1 or 2 shows last semester, there were so many people in the lecture hall that came to see us that they were like sitting in the stairs, like the steps in between the seats, which was so fun. Like they didn't even care that they weren't sitting in real seats. We had people like standing by the doors even, or standing in the back. So it was really cool to know that like as an organization we've like impacted so many people and that they really want to be there and they really want to have a good time with us.